How to add age verification to Wix website. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on add elements. Then you're gonna have to go to interactive and then simply choose welcome here where it says pop-ups and click on it. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to settings, and then here you're gonna have to make sure this is enabled. Then you're gonna have to simply disable the X icon, and then you're gonna have the to enable this. So as you can see, you're gonna have to enable the close button, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on this button here, and then you're gonna have to simply change the text, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply enter something similar to this. So yes, I'm over 18, so let's double click on it like this, and then here you can simply add something like are you over 18, like this, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.